Your convection oven can make bakery-level cookies, crisp pizzas, and juicy sheet pan dinners if the oven itself can hold steady heat, move air evenly, and actually fit the pans you want to use. Today I'm counting down the 7 best bakeware options for convection oven-style baking, from budget-friendly countertop ovens to premium do-it-all machines, so you can pick the one that matches your kitchen and your baking goals. Number 7. Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M. The Elite Gourmet is one of those ovens that wins you over with sheer space and flexibility. It's a French door countertop convection oven with a big capacity, 45 liters, 47.5 quarts, and it's designed to handle real oven-sized jobs like multi-rack baking, pizza nights, and even rotisserie cooking. According to its manual, it's rated to fit 18 slices of toast or 2 12-inch pizzas with a temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In testing, I liked the concept. French doors are genuinely convenient when your counter space is tight because you don't have one big door swinging down into your work area. I also appreciated having separate control knobs for the top and bottom heating elements because that kind of control can help when you're trying to brown the top of a casserole without scorching the bottom crust. The function dial includes convection and rotisserie modes, and you can combine convection with other modes. For baking, it's best when you treat it like a mini double rack oven. I ran simple convection tests, cookies on one rack, roasted vegetables on another, and the airflow does help speed things up compared to a basic toaster oven. The convection feature is specifically meant to circulate hot air for faster, more even cooking and crispier results, and it does deliver that general effect. But here's where I have to be a little critical. The size and power are great, yet consistency can be a learning curve. On my first cookie run, I still had to rotate the pan halfway through to get the most even browning, and the interior height can feel limiting for taller bakeware like high-sided cake pans or a domed loaf. It's not a deal breaker, but it means you'll want to think sheet pan style more than tall bakeware style. 6. BLACK+DECKER TO62D5-1SD. The BLACK+DECKER is aimed at people who want air fryer crisping and convection speed in a French door format, but in a more compact, weeknight-friendly footprint. The brand highlights space for 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza, plus a digital control panel with 12 cooking functions, including convection baking, pizza, broil, air fry, fries, toast, bagel, and keep warm. In my use, it's the kind of oven that makes you cook more often simply because it's quick to get going. The convection fan does a solid job making frozen foods and small bakes come out crisp, and for simple bakeware like a small sheet pan or a shallow brownie pan, it's easy to get reliable results. BLACK+DECKER also positions the air fry mode as using high-intensity hot air to bake, brown, and crisp with little to no oil, and that's pretty close to how it behaves in real life. Where it starts to fall short is capacity and bakeware freedom. Yes, it can fit a 12-inch pizza, but if you're trying to bake multiple trays of cookies or use deeper pans, you'll feel boxed in quickly. It's better for single-pan bakes, small-batch muffins, and quick breads than it is for serious multi-rack baking sessions. The smaller space also means you need to be careful not to crowd the air pathway because convection hates clutter. The controls are convenient, but the overall feel is more practical appliance than precision baking tool. I found that it's easiest to get the best results when you use the presets as a starting point, then adjust time and temp based on what you see through the doors. It's not the oven I'd pick if I'm chasing perfect, repeatable pastry outcomes. 5. Nuwave Bravo Pro. The Nuwave Bravo Pro, the 2025 new and improved version, is a strong step up if you want more control over crispness and more confidence when baking on multiple levels. It's marketed as a 10-in-1 convection air fryer toaster oven combo with a 21-quart capacity and a temperature range of 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. When I tested it, what stood out was how dialed in the airflow feels compared with more basic countertop convection ovens. Nuwave emphasizes quick and even crisp technology, And in practice, this is the kind of oven where frozen pastries brown faster, chicken skin renders better, and cookie edges set cleanly without needing as much babysitting. For bakeware, it plays nicely with small sheet pans and shallow roasting pans, and it's a great match for people who like to cook on racks rather than deep dishes. I also liked it for proofing and dehydrating style tasks because that low 50 grease fairy starting point gives you flexibility for dough work and gentle drying. That said, it still has the countertop oven reality. You're working with a smaller cavity than a wall oven, so oversized bakeware is out, and you'll want to measure your favorite pans before you assume they'll fit. Also, because it cooks efficiently, you need to adjust from conventional oven habits, especially if you're used to slower preheats and gentler top heat. Overall, it's a strong mid to upper pick for convection baking because it feels designed around even airflow and speed, rather than convection being an afterthought. Number 4. DeLonghi EO14164M. The DeLonghi Lavenza is built for people who want convection baking plus an air fry style crisp without turning their kitchen into a heat zone. It's listed as a 9-in-1 digital air fry convection toaster oven with a 14-liter, 0.5 cubic foot internal volume, 1800 watts of power, and a thermostat range of 75 degrees Celsius, about 170 degrees to 450 degrees. In my testing, it's a surprisingly premium feeling bake experience for the size. The interior is non-stick, which makes it easier to clean after cheese melts or butter splatters, and it's the kind of oven where you can bake a small pan of brownies and get a clean top crust without weird hot spots. One standout feature you notice quickly is how the door area feels less aggressive than many countertop ovens. A retailer listing notes a heat lock system designed to maintain temperature while emitting less heat off the glass door. And whether or not you care about the exact percentage, the practical result is it feels more contained when running. It's also a very balanced oven. Not the largest, not the most feature-stuffed, but very consistent for small batch baking. If you're mostly baking for 1 to 3 people, or you just want a reliable convection helper next to your main oven, this one fits that lifestyle well. The only reason it's not higher on my list is capacity. For bigger families or anyone who wants to bake multiple trays back to back, you may outgrow it. 3. Chef IQ Mini Oven. The Chef is for the person who wants smart features and a modern interface, but still wants the core job, convection baking, to be solid. It's a 25-quart countertop oven with touchscreen controls, and Walmart lists a max temperature up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, along with functions like air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, dehydrate, slow cook, proof, reheat, and keep warm. In use, the touchscreen is actually more helpful than I expected. Instead of guessing rack placement, the oven provides rack indicator guidance for certain presets. And that matters because convection results depend heavily on where the pan sits in the airstream. The soft closed door is another small detail that makes the whole experience feel more high-end, especially when you're juggling a hot pan and don't want the door to slam. For baking, it's the oven I'd pick if you do a lot of mixed tasks. Proofing dough one day, baking cookies the next, then roasting vegetables, then reheating without turning everything soggy. The high max temperature is also great for finishing the top of casseroles or getting better browning on small pizzas. The biggest benefit is the guidance factor. If you're not a confident baker, this oven reduces the number of variables you have to guess. You still need to learn your timing, but it helps you get into the right zone faster. If there's a downside, it's that smart features only matter if you'll actually use them. If you prefer old-school knobs and a purely manual workflow, you might not care about the app-adjacent ecosystem and touch-first controls. 2. Breville BOV900BSS. The Breville, better known as the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, is a powerhouse if your goal is repeatable, consistent convection baking with fewer surprise outcomes. It's widely positioned as a premium countertop convection oven that can handle baking, roasting, air frying, and toasting in one unit. In my testing, this is the oven that felt closest to a high-quality built-in oven in terms of control and predictability. When I baked cookies, the browning was more uniform edge to edge than most countertop ovens I've used, and it did that without forcing me to rotate the pan as aggressively. For bakeware, it's forgiving, meaning you can use a range of pans and still get stable results because the heat management feels refined. It's also a great oven for people who do serious small batch baking. Scones, cookies, banana bread, small casseroles, or roasting vegetables while baking something else. The convection performance is strong enough that you can rely on it as a daily driver, not just a backup. The trade-off is price and footprint. This is not the budget pick, and it will claim counter space like it means it. But if you value consistency and you're trying to make your baking results more professional, this is where the money goes. If your channel audience includes people who are tired of buying cheap ovens every couple of years, this is the upgrade that makes sense. Ninja DCT 451. The Ninja earns the top spot because it solves one of the biggest real-life problems in convection cooking: doing two different foods at once without flavor crossover or timing chaos. It's a 12-in-1 smart double oven with a flex door that creates two separate ovens, plus flavor seal technology to help keep smells and flavors from crossing between the top and bottom cavities. In testing, the two ovens in one design changes everything for baking and meal prep. I could bake something delicate up top, like cookies or a small cake pan, while running a crisping or air fry style cook on the bottom, and it didn't feel like one zone was ruining the other. Ninja also highlights smart finish syncing cooking times, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to pull everything out hot and ready at once. Then there's the thermometer-driven cooking. The DCT 451 is described as having a smart cook system with a thermometer for precise temperature monitoring, which is a huge deal for baking adjacent tasks like roasting, or for anything where internal doneness matters. Even if you're baking most of the time, having that thermometer capability makes the oven more versatile for protein-based meals. For bakeware choices, this oven rewards you for thinking in zones. Use a shallow pan up top for even convection exposure, and use the bottom for crisping, reheats, or a second bake. If you're the kind of person who likes efficiency, 2 trays, 2 textures, 1 appliance, this is the most modern, most practical option on this list. The only caution is, it's a system. To get the best results, you'll want to learn how each cavity behaves. But once you do, it feels like you're cheating the clock, because you're baking and cooking in parallel without the usual compromises. If you want, tell me your target audience, budget buyers versus premium shoppers, and whether this video is for countertop convection ovens specifically or for full-size convection ovens too, and I'll tailor the tone and baking test results to match.